Hallo Leute and welcome to Frankenjura! Shlomi and we are in Frankenjura. If you don't know where Frankenjura is, it's in the north of Bavaria. In German we call it Bayern. And others also know it as Fränkische Schweiz or Franconia. And what are we doing here? We go climbing again because we love it so much. We are in a little town, it's called Altenkunstadt.
Shlomi put the Google Maps on right now. And we've been in this area a couple of times already, climbing with friends. They're really experienced climbers. We thought this time we're gonna take you with us, show you how it's like out here.
How cool it is, how beautiful in the nature, and it's so green around us.
There's like so many little towns, so pretty. Everything's like looks like a painting everywhere.
Yeah, and the towns, they're so cute. Like the buildings, they have like this these wood pieces outside of the building, so the typical German houses, so they look really, really nice.
Yeah.
So we arrived here last night, took the car from Berlin. It was a drive of I think 4 hours around. And so it's very easy to reach, and we are staying here until Sunday. Sunday is predicted to rain, so let's see if we are able to climb or not, but if not, we will just check the maps. Maybe there's a cute town nearby, and let's see if we can make the best out of it before we go home. We are here with 2 friends, and they are very experienced climbers, so they taught us a lot actually. We've been climbing before, mostly bouldering, but not very frequently, so just every now and then. So now we are doing it way more often. Now it's our second time, Shlomi's third time, my second time climbing outdoors, like on real rocks. It's so different than indoors in the hall.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's way more fun outside because you really have to think. You just feel the rock, and you need to find out where you have to grab, and you're way more free than indoors, and I really like it. If you made it, it's like you climbed a rock in the nature, so it's really cool.
It's cool. Yeah.
And then also we have a really cute hotel. It's a typical German interior, but it's nice. We have a breakfast every morning, so we're ready to start the day.
This region is actually known to be raining a lot indoors. That's why we got the best suite in this hotel. Check this out. We got a roof indoors, just above our bed. So it's not gonna rain tonight, guys. It's not gonna rain. I got a roof. I got a roof in my room. Yeah. I got the roof. We made it.
So we just arrived to our first location. It looks quite nice. It's super green here.
Yeah, it looks really, really cool. See the rock.
We're about to
The
climb.
rock.
Not
Yeah.
the rock.
This is the rock.
It's the rock.
Yeah, we're gonna set all the climbing gear. See how it feels like. You're excited?
I'm excited because I'm not such a good climber. It's like my second time in nature. I've been a few times indoors.
Yeah.
But let's see how it goes. Like I'm getting better each time, so it's a really nice sport. and you can see your improvement
Yeah.
every time, so it's fun. Let's
My
see how it
favorite-
goes this time.
My favorite thing is actually leaving Steffi at the top and just, kind of pack the things, pull the rope down, have Steffi up there. So we're gonna leave her up there.
And he just needs to wait like 4 hours until I reach the top. So
Exactly. Just 4 hours. Easy.
something like this.
I can have a cup of coffee. It's so beautiful. There's like a little river. We're gonna play the B-roll. You're gonna see where we're at.
It was very difficult at the beginning for me. It was quite slippery, but then it was easy. There were some good hands up there.
Yeah?
Yeah. I made it.
Very well.
And now it's your turn.
Let's do it. So cool. Ready for some coffee?
Coffee.
Let's do coffee. Coffee time. Coffee time. Step dog, it's coffee time.
Oh, coffee time.
Coffee time. But you don't drink coffee, don't you?
I don't like coffee so much, but I will
Who?
take a sip from you.
Who doesn't like coffee?
Sip.
A sip.
A sip.
Ah.
I don't know, I'm not prepared for it. Oh my gosh, no. Natur.
Flippity floppers.
This is a flapper. It's a little one.
Alright, we're picking up. That was a good climbing day. We're gonna go get some lunch.
But this was just the first part. So
Yeah.
we were climbing, now we have lunch, and then we move to a new place, and then we go climbing again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Peace.
And out.
See you on the flippy floppers.
Whatever this means.
Just want to say, I bought myself an ice cream. And look where my ice cream's at.
Oh no.
That's my ice cream right there.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm dead. I'm so beat. I wanna get some beer.
You did some really good routes.
Was really nice, huh? Yeah, this place is amazing, guys. Seriously.
One thing that I really hate, really hate, are the ticks here. In Bayern, we have a lot of ticks. And yeah, I don't know. I'm terrified of it. I've never had a tick, but there's so many here, and all our friends, they had some.
But we never got some, so
I don't know. Maybe we are too stinky for that.
we're too stinky for the tiki.
Shlomi is terrified of spiders.
What?
He's terrified.
I love the spiders.
Oh, there was a squirrel earlier. I don't think we have it on the camera. There was a
No,
funny
but yeah,
moment.
I met this guy, Joe the squirrel.
He has a name now.
Yeah, we're best buddies. He gave me his WhatsApp and his LinkedIn profile. No, but it was so funny. I was just climbing, or Nadia was screaming, Shlomi, there's a squirrel next to you. And then I see this frightened squirrel looking at me with his big eyes like,
This distance.
please, don't kill me. And I was looking at him and like, oh shit.
No, you
And we were
actually
both like, oh shit.
screaming. Oh shit. You almost fell because of it.
Yeah, I let go of the rope.
But yeah, this is the nature. This is what we love, right? It's the
We
nature.
love it. Woo. We love it.
I really don't like insects, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
It's a price we have to pay.
I'm gonna tell you what's really going on here. I've been kidnapped. I've been tortured. And please, call my mama. Rescue me. Send help. Alright, that's what happens when it's 7 p.m. and you put a camera in front of my face. Anyway, we're gonna catch you on the flip-flops, guys.
Stay tuned for day 2.